How to get student discount on Apple product. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So for that, you will have to open up this website called Unidays, myunidays.com, and over here you will have to verify your student or the staff status, and after that you will be able to avail the discount on Apple products. And you can also use your relatives or any other person's identity cards in order to verify your status, and you will still be able to avail the discount. So for this, you just have to visit this website, or you can simply type Unidays Apple on Google, and after that open up this very first link that you will see in the search results. After that, this is where it will lead you to. All you have to do is just click on continue over here. Now provide all your details and click on join now. After that, you will be able to add the discount on a particular product, and this way you will be able to purchase it. In case if you want to avail it in an offline mode, then you will have to visit the Imagine store nearby you and just provide them your university identity card or your student identity card, and they will be able to take the photocopy of your identity card and provide you the discount. And this way you would be able to avail the discount on all the different products of Apple, and that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.